Good evening and welcome to my midweek recap here for Apple and plan for Thursday and Friday. If you remember from my weekend video, I was looking for a break above the 170 level. As it turns out, I got in some 170 calls here at 206, rode those up, took half out here at 302, the other half trailed me out here at 316. Looked like price action was going to hold above this first consolidation range of the day and push higher. So I took a second trade here at some 172 and a half calls at 134. Trailed me out half the position at 142 into the close. Didn't want to take all that much risk into the close going overnight. As it turns out, price action did gap down, provide a nice buy the dip opportunity as we have seen numerous times in the market now. Got in again at 92, put my average at 111. Just waited. My rule was right here. I was going to get out if the low of the day had broken. It did not. Wednesday provided a nice gap up and an opportunity to close out that trade for a profit. Left some on the table as I didn't close it into the original push up. It looked like it was going to continue higher, so I was just trying to be patient and trailed it out on the first break below a red candle there. Now going into tomorrow, go here to the 30-minute time frame. I will be looking at support plays. Right now I don't see anything that could potentially be a breakout type of trade, so going back to my old moving average supports here. First of all is going to be 171.5, which will be the blue line over here. It's 8 EMA. I'll be looking at that coming up a little bit higher into the open tomorrow, depending on what price action does. It should still climb up a little bit and will probably open around 171.5. Next level down here is going to be the 21 EMA. Currently it is 170.69, so roughly somewhere in this region here around 170.5. I expect there to be a little bit more support for that moving average as well. If price action fails both those levels, I will simply wait and look for one of two other levels. First of all, it's going to be this 168.5 level, which is the previous breakdown of a potential double top right here. If you remember from the price action last week, this level is still going to carry a little bit of significance to me anyways, 168.5 to 168.30 area. If that does not hold, my next level down is going to be 166.5, which is where the 50 SMA, trend support, lower end of my channel is going to be. Another group of support levels that are coming together, another green bubble. As you've seen in some of my previous videos, whenever there's what should be a support zone, market makers have seen that. They've run price straight through it and taken out buyers and triggered in stops. I'm not going to turn bearish just because of that, but if it does break this 50 SMA, that will definitely be a clue that the market makers are not going to let this go up anytime soon. For right now, my flag play that I do have drawn on here is still valid, at least in my opinion. I do still have a measured move potential target up to here to around 188.5, 189. We'll see if that does happen. If price action does break above Wednesday's high right here, it should trigger in a short squeeze and easily push it above the top end of this range, take out this trend resistance, and be on our way up higher, maybe even to 200. Who knows? Only right now, time will tell. This will be my trade plan for Thursday and Friday. Good luck.